911, what is the address of your emergency?
Yeah, I would like to order a pizza. I'm stuck in here.
Okay. Are you aware you're calling 911?
Yes, I'm sure I'm calling to that number. Trying to get a pizza.
What address are we going to?
So, got my location, please.
You don't know your location?
No, basically no. I'm stuck in here. It won't take me back home. I'm trying to, but trying to get pizza. Pepperoni extra cheese.
Okay. How many people are there? Tell me.
Just me and him.
Do you have any weapons?
No.
You know his name?
I don't know say it because
That's okay. What's your name?
I would like to order extra cheese pizza.
Okay. Are you hurt?
Yes.
Just stand on line with me, okay? I'm gonna get help out there to you. All right.
Hey.
He's trying to rape me. Can you help?
Get off her now.
Help me.
Get off her now.
Give us a channel.
Thank God. Thank you.
Don't you fucking move. Don't you fucking move.
Come here, dear. Come here. You're good. 21 says to clear the channel.
Thank you, Lord.
We're good. We're here. We're here. We're here. We're here. We're here.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus.
We got him mail secured.
He's trying to rape me.
Copy of Florida tag, please.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
And when you watch the video, if you're a father, if you're a grandfather, if you're a brother, and you hear those screams coming from our victim, it makes the hair on the back of your neck stand up.
Okay, we're here now, okay? Hey, we're here. We're here. We're here. We're here. Just catch your breath. He's got him. He's got him. He's got him.
The victim in this case said she had known her assailant, that they had gone into the fernery to drink a couple drinks, alcoholic beverages, and that's all it was supposed to be. However, during this outing, he did a line of cocaine, and she said he did a 180, and he became extremely violent and wouldn't let her go and tried to rape her. The video, again, speaks for itself. The suspect in this case is Luis Hernandez Mañeo, 27-year-old male who's in this country illegally, who the day before the incident applied for asylum. He's now sitting in our jail with 3 felony counts against him, and the Border Patrol has lodged a detainer against him. I am so proud, number one, of our victim for having the wherewithal and keep her wits as to able to get that information to our communications folks for being able to decipher what was going on and use technology to put us, the deputies, in the general area of where she was. And then obviously you can see the deputy's response in taking this scumbag into custody.